Hi, I'm Nisbet, and I'm here to talk to you today about the 729 Fighter racket. The 729 racket is a 5-ply all-wood table tennis blade with 2 thin carbons of mesh. It's layered over a very fancy, fine green wood handle. The rubber on the racket is 2.2 millimeter RITC 729 friendship rubber. We like this racket because the top sheet of this rubber is tacky. The 729 Fighter racket is very good for the entry into the modern sport of table tennis. It's good for creating spin, hitting forehands and backhands at intermediate to fast speeds. Thanks for watching. This racket is available online at our store. Come visit us. Thank you.